Hello student, this is the solid state ninth session. In this video I will teach you non-stoichiometric defect. Before, in previous lectures we had seen all type of defect, that is stoichiometric defects. They are of four types, and impurity defects, they are also of two types. And now we will see the non-stoichiometric defect. Non-stoichiometric defect arises when the ratio of number of atoms of one kind to that of other kind, or the ratio of cations to the anions becomes different from that indicated by its formula, chemical formula. In short, stoichiometry of the compound is changed. And this type of defect, when the ratio of cations to the anions becomes different from that of indicated by its formula, and its stoichiometry of the compound is changed, then this type of defect is known as a non-stoichiometric defect. Then it is important to note that the change in stoichiometry does not cause any change in the crystal structure, and these are of two types. First is a metal deficiency defect, and second is metal excess defect. In metal deficiency defect, this defect is possible only in compounds of metal. If metallic compounds are there, only then metal deficiency defect arises. Metals that show variable oxidation state. Variable oxidation state means metal deficiency defect is possible only in compounds of metal that shows the variable oxidation state. In some crystal, positive metal ions are missing from their original lattice site. The extra negative charge is balanced by the presence of cation of the same metal with higher oxidation state than that of missing cation. For example is NiO. For example, NiO, this is the crystal of NiO, the compound NiO. In it contains one Ni plus 2 and other is O minus 2. It contains Ni plus 2 charges and O minus 2 charges. In this case, Ni plus 2 ion is missing, that is cation is missing, creating a vacancy at the lattice site. The deficiency of two positive charges is made up by the presence of two Ni plus 3 charges. Look at this diagram. Here one vacancy, and this is Ni plus 3, and Ni plus 3 charges are added to the crystal lattice, and this type of defect is called as a metal deficiency defect. Instead of Ni plus 2, they are in lattice structure Ni plus 3 is occupied. Okay. Second type is metal excess defect. Metal excess defect are of two types. First one is neutral atom or extra positive ion occupies interstitial position, and second is B, by anion vacancy. First one is by neutral atom or extra positive ion occupies interstitial position. There are two examples. Look at this diagram. In this diagram, ZNO is a crystal lattice, ZNO, and regular site is Zn and oxygen, Zn atoms and oxygen atoms, but in interstitial position there is a neutral Zn atom is present, and so this type of defect arises. And in next case, in this case, there are when ZNO is heated, it is when heated ZNO, it decomposes as Zn plus 2 charge plus 2 electrons plus half O2. Zn plus 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 2 electrons plus half O2. The excess Zn plus ions are trapped. These Zn plus 2 ions are trapped in the interstitial space. The electrons also diffuse in the crystal to occupy interstitial site. These are the 2 electrons. This is also electron. These 2 electrons and Zn plus 2 ions are trapped in the interstitial site. In both the cases, non-stoichiometric defect arises. Okay. The next one is by anion vacancies. Look at this diagram by anion vacancy. This is a crystal of NaCl. This type of defect imparts the color to the crystal. For example, when NaCl is heated in the atmosphere of sodium vapor, sodium atoms are deposited on the crystal surface and Cl minus ions diffuse to the crystal surface, creating vacancy. This is an anion vacancy. Cl minus diffuses on the crystal surface, creating a vacancies at their regular site, and these Cl minus ions combine with Na atom, sodium atom, on the surface to form NaCl by releasing electron from sodium atom. NaCl, Na plus this Cl minus which diffuse Cl minus react with each other and it forms NaCl plus 1 electron. The electron released diffuse into the crystal and occupy vacant site of anions as shown in this figure. Look at this. This electron is diffused and it occupies vacancy in the vacancy. The anion vacant site occupied by electrons are F centers. This anion vacant site, this is a anion vacant site occupied by electron. This center is called as the F center. This is known as a F center or color center. NaCl shows yellowish color due to the formation of F center. Due to the formation of F centers or color centers. And the crystal of NaCl has excess Na. One Na is excess. So, its stoichiometric formula of NaCl, stoichiometric formula of NaCl becomes is the Na 1 plus X and Cl1. Na 1 plus X, Cl 1.0. This is the stoichiometric formula when F centers are produced. Okay. In ZNO also, ZNO stoichiometric formula of ZNO is Zn 1 plus X O 1.0. Is it clear, student? These are the non-stoichiometric defects, that is metal deficiency defect and metal excess defect. And metal excess defects are of two types, by neutral or positive charges or by anion vacancies. This topic is very important for board. Okay. In next video, I will teach you electronic and magnetic properties. Goodbye.